What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode of Getting Saucy. I have a very special guest. I got Jenny here from Uline, and we're going to use her Nugget Ice to create some delicious drinks. We're going to do copycats of Starbucks. So this is the pink drink, and this is a green tea matcha frappe. So pull in and make these delicious drinks right along with us. Simple, delicious. We're gonna give them a taste. Cheers to you.
Cheers.
Thank you for coming in. Oh my God, guys, this is so good. As Jenna said, drink the pink. It's so delicious, you guys. I hope you tune in for another keto-friendly episode or just a regular episode of Getting Saucy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell. Do it right now. Hit the bell. And we will see you again. Until we see you again, stay saucy. Bye.
Bye.